up with lupus. Does Ryan Gosling ever call you, start laughing, and then hang up? Franco is half Italian and half asleep. How about a hand for James's grandma, 91 years old? Beautiful. Look at it. Wow. 127 hours is how long she has left.
Get him, Grandma. Get him. Get him.
Oh, Franco. Franco comes from humble beginnings, right? Your first job was working at McDonald's. It's the last time anybody ever said about your work, "I'm loving it." And because you're an academic, I treated this roast like a research project. I watched all your films, I read your poetry, I even have one of your paintings hanging in my fire pit. You know, Franco, personally, I don't care if you fuck guys or fuck girls. All I know is you fucked me out of $12 when I went to see that Wizard of Oz movie. The whole time I was in the theater, I was thinking, there's no place like home. But Franco, I'm really looking forward to you mumbling your rebuttal at the end of the show. Are you ready to bring it, Franco? Let's hope you... That's good, I'm psyched. Let's hope you bring some of that razor-sharp wit you brought to the Oscars. You were a worse host than the AIDS monkey. Face it, Franco, you and Anne Hathaway had the comedic chemistry of Trayvon Martin and George Zimmerman. Anyway, Franco, I really do admire you because you're a creative risk taker during a time when the world needs more of that. So I wish you continued success, and I hope I wasn't too mean tonight because my girlfriend and I both want to fuck you after the show. All right, good luck, buddy. Thank you, man.